Yo, hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, right now the crypto markets are a big, massive, rally going on right now. So 2.32 trillion. It's going up by 4.65% in the last 24 hours. If we take a look on the right hand side, the fear and greed index currently at 86. So you can see that rising nice and high there. So Bitcoin is currently at 62,521. It did cross the 64 mark earlier. Yesterday, so it's gone down slightly in the last hour or so, but generally speaking it's up by 5.64% in the last 24 hours and over 20% in the last 7 days and over 47% in the last 30 days. So you can see Bitcoin riding high. Ethereum at 3,470 right now, and then you've got Solana, which is pushed past that 120 resistance level at $128.87. It's gone up by 15.31% in the last 24 hours. XRP up 2% as well in the last 24 hours, currently priced at 0.5985. And then you can see Cardano's gone up just under 10% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin moving as well by just under that 30% mark there. It's at 0.1282. That's excellent news. Then you've got AVAX. AVAX has also crossed that $40 mark, currently at $43.70. It's gone up by 8.65% in the last 24 hours. Chainlink price at $20.22. You got Polygon Matic at $1.04. Toncoin at $2.68. Shiba Inu 0.401362. So it's gone up by a whopping 21.53% in the last 24 hours. And then Bitcoin Cash there at $312. And Litecoin at number 19. It's gone to $82.35. It's gone up by 8.94% in the last 24 hours. And a little bit of a surprise here. So ICP dropping down to number 20 at the moment. It's at $13.23. It's gone up by 0.62% in the last 24 hours. And then you can see, Daycoin outside the top 20 there as well. Okay, so that's a quick overview of what's going on right now in the global crypto markets. So let's head over to today's article on CNBC. So Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor nets $700 million gain on the 3-day pop in crypto and MicroStrategy. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so when MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor came on CNBC's closing bell overtime in December to talk about crypto, he said one main thing basically to count on Bitcoin moving into 2024, which is this year now. Obviously, we've seen that does count because we've seen that massive rally we've just had with Bitcoin right now. So while the long-term safety of Bitcoin may still be up for debate, Saylor's strategy has been a hugely lucrative one. Obviously smashing it with $700 million, nearly $1 billion there. Shares of MicroStrategy, which derives a vast majority of its value from its Bitcoin holdings, jumped 10%, bringing its 3-day rally to 40%. Saylor is MicroStrategy's biggest investor with a 12% stake in the company. He's also disclosed in 2020 personal ownership of 17,732 Bitcoin. Wow. Add it up and Saylor's about 700 million richer than he was on Sunday. Between Saylor's MicroStrategy control and his Bitcoin, his holdings climbed to $2.96 billion in value on Wednesday from $2.27 billion at the start of the week. So MicroStrategy's spokesperson said that the company doesn't comment on Saylor's personal finances. The big catalyst this week has been Bitcoin's rally to its highest level since November 2021. Digital currency rose as high as about 64k on Wednesday, up from 51,500 early Monday. Massive, just like $14,000 has gone up by. So pulled back now to around 60,000, but it's a bit higher at the moment yet, as we just spoke about earlier. So late in the day after Coinbase's app suffered glitches that led many users to see a balance of zero in their accounts. Saylor, who founded MicroStrategy in 1989, remains the company's chairman and is one of Bitcoin's principal evangelists, co-authoring a book about the crypto in 2023 titled What is Money? MicroStrategy has a business in enterprise software and cloud-based services, but its Bitcoin ownership effectively makes the company a proxy for the world's biggest cryptocurrency. The company said on Monday that it acquired an additional 3,000 Bitcoins for a total of 155 million between February 15th and February 25. MicroStrategy, along with its subsidiaries, now owns about 193,000 Bitcoins worth close to $12 billion. MicroStrategy announced its plan to invest in mid-2020, disclosing its earnings call that it would commit $250 million over the next 12 months to one or more alternative assets, which could include digital currencies like Bitcoin. At the time, the company's market cap was about $1.1 billion. It's now worth more than $16 billion. During MicroStrategy's latest earnings call on February the 7th, CFO Andrew Kang said the company is the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin in the world. Wow. And we have remained committed to our Bitcoin acquisition strategy with the highest conviction. MicroStrategy shares are now up 52% for the year after soaring 346% in 2023. So MicroStrategy is smashing it right now. And there's the man behind it, Michael Saylor. Okay, people. Please do like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you think about this Bitcoin rally, the Bitcoin halving coming up in Easter time, and cryptocurrency generally in the comment section below. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you in the next one.